The Oz principle is made up of 4 basic parts. See it, own it, solve it, and do it. If you follow these 4 steps, you'll be a success at whatever you do.
The Oz principle is an excuse killer. Not my department, it's everyone's department. Not my responsibility, it's everyone's responsibility. You work for HDR, it is your responsibility to do the absolute best that you possibly can. And that's what the Oz program is about. It teaches you to be a better worker and hold yourself accountable for everything that you see, do, and hear.
There are not many guarantees in life, but you can be certain that you will face challenges. How we react in these situations can influence the overall outcome. It's certainly easy to fall below the line by doing things like making excuses or not holding yourself accountable. We will all fall below the line at times. This is expected. The important thing is that you are able to catch this behavior and correct it.
The Oz principle is teaching us to be the person we need to be by giving us the feedback tools so we can improve our self-awareness. It also teaches us what to do when faced with tough situations. The Oz principle teaches us if we be who we need to be and do what we need to do, we will get the desired results we want to get.